No, we know how to do it.
Hi, everybody.
Today. Thank you. You're making them out of these?
Yeah.
Mashed potatoes?
No, I was making French fries.
Move. You want mashed potatoes?
I want French fries.
How she said do it? She said you have to boil the potato. Or we have this. We have this.
I want some French fries. Ow.
No. What? That.
Wait.
We have to boil these. We're just gonna come in and boil. Oh. I'll do the potato. We'll do that
Go. Hey, go, baby doll.
So Kelly, so Bernie, what's good? I shot the Benz on guns, I'm in the club with snug. Don't start nothing, it won't be nothing.
Hey, in the refrigerator. Say hi to the camera.
Get out!
Say hi to the camera.
Turn your fire down.
Tiffany,
Add some more oil.
told you. Mom, say hi to the camera.
Keep turning being very loud.
She's turning it the wrong way. Hi, everybody. Mom, say hi to the camera.
Use all of them? Is this enough?
Hi. Somebody record. Tiffany. Record me picking her up.
You said you was getting it.
Come here.
Get out the kitchen.
So who gonna wash these dishes?
Serious? Because he's not doing nothing else.
I gotta make a new garbage
No,
bag.
you're not doing nothing, but you're still gonna wash the dishes.
You can wash the dishes.
Say
You
hi.
ain't cooking.
Say hi.
No.
She's not in the mood right now.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Hold on. Say hi to the camera, Ashley.
Mom, get out the kitchen.
Yes, we the chefs now. The OMG chef. Look at this menu. That's good. Mom, when we gonna have this? It's so good.
Wash the dishes.
Somebody gonna have to go for some Kool-Aid. For the store.
Here, look at this.
Since you're not doing nothing, go get 3 packs of Kool-Aid for $1.
Here,
So I can make some.
can I get 50 cents?
What?
Can I get 50 cents?
No.
I'll be right.
Good flavors. Make sure 2 of them is the same.
All right, I'll be right back, girls.
Put them in your pocket.
All right. Somebody dropped me eggs. Just disgusting. Well, I hope. I'm going to this Puerto Rican store. Yep. Well, we're a new group from the OMG girls. But we're using our favorite colors, and we're using their names, and we do some of their songs, some of their dance moves, and I think our name is Kill'em. You're gonna see our videos on YouTube. I thought somebody was in that car. So, yeah. So, once I get to the store, I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna do a new one. Okay? I thought somebody was behind me. I'm almost at the Puerto Rican store. Got my mind on, yeah, they got some good Christmas things. See that blue card? I want that. And that card. Ooh, these cards look nice. Excuse me. Ooh, I did not mean to do that in public. Well, in 2.5 seconds, I'm gonna do a new video. Okay? Bye.